Hi everyone, it's Tiffany and I am here with these brand new Animal Jam Chibi blocks. Little Chibi blocks, oh my goodness. I got 3 of the packs. There are 8 different ones to collect, you can see right here. But every single package had this guy on the front, so I thought originally, oh, they're all going to be this guy. But I guess that's just the packaging. So that was a little bit confusing, but I'm hoping, what if it was just a full box of this guy? I'm hoping these are gonna be different ones. I'm really hoping for the fox. She looks so amazing. But there's a bunny, Arctic wolf, fox, koala, monkey, penguin, tiger, and wolf. Oh, Arctic wolf and wolf. Each pack contains 1 Chibi block, animal, assembly instructions, and game code. And then these are, I guess, the actual size of your blocks, so they're really tiny and super cute. I'm really excited to get these open. So let's just go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, let's open up the first one. Wait, is this like a little Ziploc bag? Oh, that's nice, so you could store your blocks back in here when you're done with it. Okay, let's see what we have. I gotta make sure the game code isn't visible. Hold on, let me just, yeah, it's visible. Okay, I got it out of the way. But we have the Arctic wolf. I really like the bags, how they're resealable. We have the Arctic wolf, oh my goodness. I will be speed building these. Well, I might just build them off camera. I don't know how it's gonna go first. These are really tiny and this will probably take a while. We have the Arctic wolf, and then here are the instructions. Wow. Yeah, this might take me a little bit of time. I think I'll either speed build it or I'll just build it off camera and show you later. Oh, I come in translucent 1 in 400. Oh, that would be really cool to get that one. Find the ultra rare translucent penguin. Oh, that'd be so cool to get. Anyway, we got the Arctic wolf right there. I will, why don't we take a look at who we got first and then I'll build them all at once. that way, I don't know, it'll just be easier maybe that way. Let's see who's in this one. Oh, is this the Arctic wolf again? No, it's not. Yes, it is, isn't it? Oh my gosh, we got the Arctic wolf again. Okay, so that's like one less I have to build, I guess. I'm not building both Arctic wolves. Let's see what's in this one. Please don't be an Arctic wolf. I want to see at least one new one. Let's see. Keep saying let's see. Come on. There we go. Okay, it's someone new. Thank goodness. Okay, is this the fox or is this the koala? Oh, this is the koala. Okay, cool. So we got 2 different ones. Like I said, I'm just gonna set this one, off to the side. We're not gonna worry about that one. And then I will go ahead and start building these. This is crazy. These are so tiny. It's gonna be so much fun. I think this is such a cute little project. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Here is the completed koala and Arctic wolf. I think they turned out really great. So the way the blocks went together, they were really easy. They were smooth to put together. It wasn't really hard snapping them in. And I'd say this one was way easier to build than this one. I don't know why, but the instructions seemed a little more difficult for this one. I don't know if it was like the darker colors or what the reasoning was for that. But this one was definitely easier. The instructions can be a little difficult to understand at first, but then once you get the hang of it, you know, it gets better. It gets better. You can see it gets a little complicated just because they're so small. We ended up with a few extra pieces for each, so just in case you need extra pieces. But I think they turned out really well, and I think they look absolutely adorable. You'll have to let me know which one is your favorite in the comments down below. I'm going to choose the little koala. I think he's absolutely adorable. I love his little peach color. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe because I post new videos every single day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!